well, cause I know I'm legit.
Listen, when life gives you flour, make that bread. This is the dough from the bread that I only use active yeast and no sourdough. So we're about to see how this is about to turn out. Off bells, we can already see it has risen so much more compared to the sourdough dough. But that's because my sourdough is not alive yet. And I just realized that. It stank, but it's not alive. I got this recipe from TikTok, and I'm going to make sure that I list who I got it from. My favorite part about her recipe was to punch that bitch. Okay, so we're just kneading the dough some more. This dough feel a lot more better than the last dough I was using, well, that I made. So let's see how this one turned out. So as y'all can see, we're going to try to flatten this out. I don't have no rolling pin, y'all. Do this shit with a rolling pin. If your ass want to work out, make some bread. So I'm going to go ahead and finish kneading this, and then I'm going to be back. Okay, y'all. So the recipe that I tried was perfect. I'm going to link the actual TikTok video I used for my dough. I am so excited. They look so good. I put cheese in there too, so that's what them little burnt pieces on the top is. And I put a little honey butter. Oh. Oh, yeah, G. I'm so excited. Oh, I can't even get that way out. It's so soft. Oh.